Day 2 down under, and I feel so much better after sleeping nearly 13 hours. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I don't really genuinely feel like doing too much today. I've got myself ready. I'm actually going to go stay with my friend. So I'm leaving the hotel. We're going to his for a barbie this afternoon, of course, why wouldn't you? It's about 36 degrees outside, so I'm going to his for a barbecue this evening, staying over at his. I've packed my suitcase and stuff ready, and then tomorrow getting in the car and seeing what I'm going to be doing. I hope you enjoyed part 1. That flight was a killer, absolutely a killer. So this video, day 2, probably day 3 of my Antipodean adventure. We'll have a look at some barbecues. We're going to an area called Port Adelaide, and I'm going to start filming my road journey. Hopefully we're going to see some awesome cars on the way. Yeah, part 2 then. Nice relaxed day. Remember, I've got a week or so in Adelaide, in the city, exploring before I get in the car and I do a mammoth journey sort of along the Great Ocean Road. So I'm still basically recovering. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, the usual stuff, hype. Day 2, part 2. It's hot in the car. Wowzer. Just got in the Swift. Gonna set my sat-nav up. I've got that AC. It's not really cooling the place down yet. That's better. Oh. It's about 25 minutes across town to Port Adelaide, so hopefully I'll be able to bring you some of the journey. Well, here goes nothing then. I'll turn the aircon down, it's cooled down a bit in here now. I've got to remember that this is an auto, and that throws me a little bit. I've got reversing cameras in the car. I am 12 kilometres away from where I'm going today, which is not too bad drive. It's O'Connell Street. And also, the indicators are on the wrong side. What's that about? Will do. So, my speed limit's all in kilometres as well. That is going to throw me a little bit because I'm not used to kilometres, so I'm going to use...
Turn right after 200 metres and follow Jeffcott Street. Please turn second right.
Jeffcott Street. Now you guys are going to be able to see the road and you're going to be able to spot some of the things that I'm not looking at because I'm paying attention. Oh, pink Mirage. Cool. Got an aircon turned up a bit more as well. So one thing I have been told about Australia is do not commit traffic offences. And I mean, do not speed, do not use your phone, do not jump a red light, do not park the wrong way. And you should be doing that all over the world, I know. But it's easy to get a bit of a lead foot in the UK, isn't it? Here, do not do it. So 60 kilometres an hour, what's that, 40 miles an hour?
Turn next left.
Gone through a cycle lane, which was weird as well. But it's beeping at me because I'm going over 60 kilometres an hour, but I'm not. I'm really glad I traded the Kia Picanto in for the Suzuki Swift. Stop beeping at me. What's that? Toyota. So it's warm today, but it's not as sunny. In fact, it's more humid. If you know anything about Australian television, by the way, the 7 News building is here, which we'll see in a minute. What's that? Mitsubishi something? No. BMW? I don't know. One of the great things I love about driving in Australia is seeing and landing, like, as soon as you land, you see so many Japanese cars that we don't get in the UK. Korean cars as well. I've seen Kias that I've never seen before. I've seen Japanese models, Mitsubishi models I've never seen before. Tram, 6 kilometres. What's that place? This is the Adelaide United building, apparently. The Adelaide Entertainment Centre. Youngblood is here on Thursday, the 15th. That'll be very popular. So I'm sure many of you are going to be saying, John, you need to be in that lane, you need to be in this lane, you need to be in that lane. I am staying in the middle for now until I know where I'm going. It gives me the option then to go left or right, doesn't it? Nissan Almera. Well, it's not, it's a Pulsar. What's this? Corolla. Legend. It's even got the back window taped up. Nice. Now, everything in Adelaide, or everything in Australia, every time I speak to people, it's people telling me, it's a 10-minute drive, it's a 40-minute drive. They don't say it's 10 kilometres, it's 20 kilometres, because it obviously depends where you are, and that's unusual to me. I'm used to people saying, it's about 20 miles away, it's about 100 miles away. Because to me, a 20-minute drive is, well, quite a long way. But in the city, it could be not very far at all. Got some car dealerships here. What have we got? We've got a Mazda dealership. Great Wall? No, more Mazda. I am trying to keep my eyes on the road a little bit. 91 RON, 155. So what's that? $1.55. Is that good? Probably about £1.10. That's good.
Burger King, by the way, here is not called Burger King. It's called Hungry Jack's, and it tastes better, in my opinion. Dan Murphy's Bottle Shop, Cornish pasties, drive-through. Now we're talking! What is a pie float? We're going to discover some things on this trip. Pet stock and tackle world. Go fishing. Oh, is that a K11 Micra? It's gone too far, I can't see it. Crab bait from $4.95. Now, is that bait to catch crabs or baited crab to catch fish? I suppose we'll never know. Haircut from $19.50. How much? Need a Turkish barber. When I landed yesterday, my friend's girlfriend said to me, "How are you finding the driving?" She expected us to drive on the wrong side of the road over in the UK. I was like, it's fine. We're driving on the same side of the road. So far, everything seems nice and clean, and actually nice and safe. I was wandering around the city at midnight last night, half cut, and I didn't feel unsafe, and I probably would feel unsafe if I was doing that at home. Cash Busters Pawn Shop, that's where we need to be. Red light and speed camera ahead. Yeah, don't go through your red lights. And actually, full confession, I did go through a red light last time I was here, purely obviously by accident. They'd got turn signals with arrows on, and it was raining, and it was my first day here, and I wasn't paying that much attention, and the turn signal went from red to red arrow, and the arrow came on, and I was like, oh, maybe the arrows here then are red. Now looking back, of course, green is go, across like most of the world. If it's green, it's go. But why have the arrow pop up? Anyway, I went through the red light, and I told the hire car company, and they're like, we'll sort it out. And in fairness to them, they did sort it out, and I didn't get charged. And I've been allowed back in, so they didn't hate me that much. Oh, aircon is chilly. I'm actually getting goosebumps. McDonald's here is called Macca's. Not that I'll be sampling any Macca's anytime soon, but I do like the idea of a drive-through Cornish pastie. Now we're talking my language. Drive-through Cornish pastie. Yes, please. I can see a pink Hummer. Cool. Lancer? Oh, another Lancer. So many nice cars out here. I could spend an absolute fortune on 90s Japanese shite out here. I've not seen a Proton yet. Hopefully by the end of this video, I will have seen a Proton, but none so far. Come on, Mr. Jetta, let's go. It's a pink, stretched, it's painted on a wall. Okay, fine. I thought it was real. Hummer SA stretch limousines. We need to go there, right?
Prepare to bear right soon.
Right, I've just gone into the bloody left-hand lane. South Australia cash registers. That's where to be. Will do. Assuming I don't need to indicate to go into this lane. Pie face. Handcrafted and oven fresh. I think South Australia is all about pies. There is so many car dealerships out here. Near Yaris, a Toyota Kluger. What on earth is one of those? Sexico Adult Boutique and a Holden Ute. I love that the Adult Boutique is next to the funeral parlour. Bakery, open 7 days, which is closed. I keep forgetting it's a Sunday today because I'm thinking the roads are really quiet. But of course they are. It's Sunday. Historic Port Adelaide. Museums, river cruises, clipper ship and precinct. They've got Woolworths here in Australia, but it's not the Woolworths that we know and love. They don't have a pick and mix and CDs. Their Woolworths is basically a supermarket. Woolies, I think they still call it that, which I'm proud of. What's this? There's a lot of old cars here. Curvy 14 plus, pre-loved size 14 plus clothes. There you are. William Russell, sailmaker and ship chandler. I'm glad I've got the Suzuki Swift and not the Kia Picanto, let's put it that way.
Please turn next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Good boy. Now we're talking. I've got the obligatory meat on the barbie. End of day 2 then. And it was a busy day, considering I got up, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a good day. Obviously caught up with my friend. I'm staying at his tonight. Lovely house. Did the 20-minute drive. Hope you enjoyed that. Saw lots of crazy things. And got to Port Adelaide. Saw the old mills and all that sort of stuff. We went to a brewery, which is what you have seen in the video, the Pirate Brewery, Pirate Life Brewery, I think it's called. And then had a wander around the riverside and saw the old GM factory, which was making cars up until the 60s and then has been demolished for $1 million townhouses. It's called the Mosaics. You saw that in there. And the reason it's called that is because of this mosaic that they sort of found and have preserved. Then had a barbecue, which you've seen as well. Spot on. The lamb was perfect. And I did the usual, which is standing around with my tinny whilst my mate cooked. Then we watched a film, something with Zendaya and a couple of lads, something about tennis. Wasn't my sort of film, but it was okay. And now it's bed. It's about midnight, so not too bad. Tomorrow we're going to head to the beach, take the dog for a walk, and then I'm leaving my friends and I'm going to do my own thing. I don't really know what I'm going to do. There's a safari park locally, there's a car museum. I might do that tomorrow, or I might do that Thursday. But I'm just going to explore a bit more. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, day 2. It's just sort of catching up with friends, having a barbecue, still doing the Adelaide area. And then next week is going to be driving. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment. Loads of you liked the first video. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time, have a great day. See you later.
Thanks for watching this latest video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, I've selected a couple more videos for you, especially on this page. You might enjoy those, and don't forget to subscribe to always keep up to date with the channel.